Good day, sir. I am Aaron D. Quijaro from BST M3A, and today I am here to talk about the business name, logo, vision, mission, and strategic objectives of the agency that I made. First, let's talk about the explanation about the name of travel agency, which is EE Travel and Tours. EE stands for extra efficient because my travel agency is capable of giving clients satisfaction and desirable service. Vision: to become a globally recognized and well-respected sustainable travel agency because I want people to know how good our service is. Mission: to promote and support sustainable tourism development through the representation, promotion, and mutual cooperation of international, national, and regional for sustainable tourism in our country. Let's move on in the explanation about the travel agency logo. I made it simple for them to make it more catchy and do not have any kind of extra. And now, I have here 5 strategic objectives on how will I be able to sustain the travel agency business. First, create multi-day tours. Second, explore possibilities. Third, maintain a good standards of quality. Fourth, engage with customer in social media. I want them to give us some feedback for me to know if the service here in EE Travel Agency is good. Fifth, offer the best possible prices. I want to give the people affordable prices on traveling. That's all about EE Travel and Tours. Thank you!